part 1 of mini vlogs for Europe. Oh, I'm not flexible. Okay. I'm currently wearing my backpack. It's packed thanks to Marilyn. I am backpacking Europe for 2.5 months with my best friends. Kimberly is going to be joining me, my best friend from San Diego, and she's going to be with me the whole time, and then there's going to be different people popping up. Darlene's going to be with us in Spain. My sister's going to join us for a portion. My parents are going to join us. But yeah, so I'm going to show you basically everything that I packed. This is my purse that I'm taking. It's ugly, but it works, so don't judge. And then my 40-liter Osprey, I don't know how to say it, but that brand is good. 40-liter Far Point, this one. That bothers me, I'm so sorry. Okay, I will show you what's in my bag. Just hands. Oh, it's the Starving Giant. Okay, so this is what it basically looks like. So this is my purse. I don't know where my mom got it from. I'm using hers. I'm using my fanny pack in there. And then this is my backpack. It's literally filled to the brim. This won't even close, right? But yeah, I will basically be showing you everything. I think you all are about to be scared of what you're gonna see. By the way, get used to me looking like this, like a hobo, because I will most likely be vlogging throughout the trip looking like this with hardly any makeup and breaking out because of stress. This is everything that I fit into those 2 bags. So let's get started. So I'm basically just gonna show you like everything that I have. Okay, so I am taking one dress, and this is, if you've met me, this is like my absolute favorite dress, and I can make like multiple outfits with all of these shirts that I have here. Okay, this is my rain jacket, and I'm taking it because I can wear it to meetings, because it goes well with like everything. It's like a dressy up one, and then it tends to rain, I guess, out there in the summer. 2 sarongs. So the reason why I'm taking 2 is one is for my friend Kimberly, she doesn't own one, and this one is for me. I plan on using this as a pillowcase because we're staying in a lot of Airbnbs and hostels, as a towel for the beach, as a picnic blanket, just as anything. This first, these are my Spanx, because yeah, for that dress, and for my skirts and stuff, because your girl needs shorts under skirts. These are my pajama shorts that I'm gonna wear, but they can also, I guess, be worn out. I don't know. I just wanted comfy shorts. That's what I wanted. These are my 2 undershirts, white one and a black one. I have my black cardigan that I wear with like absolutely everything. I'll just put that over there. This is my bathing suit. So this is a white, like piratey, I always call it my pirate shirt because it's like a white puffy shirt, but I like it because it's like perfect for like summer. This red top, a tank top, a collared like a cute, well, my dad called it like a 1980 shirt, and I was like, that is my style, but I like it. It's really cute. I like bright colors, and yellow is my favorite color. It's another shirt, and then a plain white shirt and a plain black shirt that I can wear with everything. My bottoms, I'm taking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bottoms. So a black maxi skirt, so I can just wear it with anything. My navy blue handy dandy skirt that I absolutely love from Dress Barn. American Eagle jeans, so they last me. My black shorts and navy blue shorts. And this right here, I should mention this. This is my outfit for, wow, what is that? Awkward. These are the orange shoes that I plan on wearing everywhere. They're super comfy. They are Clarks. They are old people shoes. I swear by them. Well, I call them my old people shoes because I guess Clarks is an old people store, but that means they're comfy, so I don't care. Anyways, this is my outfit. Basically, I'm taking black leggings because that's comfy. This gray long sleeve, so I'm like layering it up. This, oh my god. Okay, so I bought this yesterday. Impulse buy. It weighs nothing. Like, it's like a cloud. I love it. And it's basically just a nice jacket to wear so I can layer it. And my jean jacket that I absolutely love. That's my brother.
Oh my god. This is what the stuff.
That's the way I feel about everything. Thank you, Sebastian. Okay, on to shoes. So I'm taking those orange shoes and these shower sandals that are my dad's, but I'm gonna wear them because your girl does not want to be in random people's houses barefoot. And then these are my sandals that I bought from Target, and they're so cute. I love them. And this is what I'm gonna be wearing with my skirts and when I go out and stuff. This is my planner, if you know me. Yeah. I'm gonna be writing everything down in there. And I have like a little folder with like everything. My passport. Okay, wait, I don't know what to go on to next. I did clothes. Oh, those are my socks, by the way. So I'm taking 2 pairs of no-show socks for those. I'll move on to toiletries. Okay, so Tide Pods. I have 10 in here because we're staying out there for about 10 weeks. And we're going to be washing clothes because this is literally all I'm taking for 2.5 months. Yeah, I'm insane, I know. Sunscreen, men's deodorant, because I've heard that men's deodorant is the best kind of deodorant. We're going to test that theory out. Okay, Lush. Do you see this? Do you see this? I went a little overboard with Lush. So, if you don't know what Lush is, it's a store where there's like bath bombs and stuff. So, I bought a eucalyptus body wash thing. It's a soap bar. It's apparently bug repellent too, so 2 in 1. And then this is my floss, and then this is an extra carrier for my friend Kimberly because I am so nice. No, I'm kidding. My toothbrush with the little holder thingy. Ligas, my blonde shampoo because I didn't realize that going blonde you needed special shampoo. Okay, toothy tabs. I have not tried these. I've heard that they are gross. But I'm not taking gel toothpaste because I don't want to deal with it spilling, and yeah, I figured I'd give them a try. So I bought 2 of these. This is my contact solution, contact shampoo, my baking powder because you know your girl is oily. My water bottle, which I will show you. So this is the way it is now, right? Like it's like when it's full, it's like super firm, I guess. But you open it. Right, and then you press this button and the air comes out and it's collapsible, so you can fold it, and I'll show you the way it's supposed to go. Look at it. Okay, so this is my shampoo bar, and it comes with its own little container. My hair conditioner, but I decided to go with bars so that way I don't have to deal with liquid spilling because everything is together, and if something spills, I don't know what I'm gonna do. So I'm taking the least amount of liquids that's possible. Oh no, I scratched my lotion. My lotion bar, and then these 2 are samples, but it's facial cleanser, so that's what I'm taking. Kleenex for the plane. Okay, so this is the stuff that's gonna go in my fanny pack. I'm so excited to use it. Gum, because I'm obsessed. Lotion, my retainer, hand sanitizer, my portable charger, earphones, lady products, my pen, chapstick. This is tape for my planner because I want to tape things in there. I know I sound insane, but my planner peeps know what I'm talking about. So like if I get a brochure or something, I want to just secure it in there so it's like my souvenir, because I don't have room for souvenirs. So that's where I'm at. This is my contact stuff, like my actual contacts. These are my sunglasses. I can't open that. Wet wipes for whatever reason. Okay, poopery. If you know, you know. Some medicine. This is gonna be my wallet right here. So the J, you know who you are. I can't open it. But anyways, basically all I have in here is my license, my debit card, my credit card, my student ID because you get a bunch of discounts. And I'm just gonna have money for the day there. And then inside of here, this is my money belt. And I'll like try it on for you guys so you guys can see. It basically, you're supposed to put it underneath your pants or like your skirt or whatever, so like no one knows it's there. And this is where I'm going to keep like all my money at all times. But I'm going to keep like some money here so that way I always have it in my fanny pack and I'm not digging in my pants, you know, like in the middle of nowhere. This is my jewelry box. I shouldn't have closed it. My earrings, my hoops, because you know, chola life. This is my eye mask, really nice. This is my micro towel, microfiber, I don't know what it is, what it's called. But anyways, it's pretty big, and because I'm a large person, so I needed, you know, lots or whatever. Yeah, so there's that. This is my charger for my portable charger for my phone and my iPad. This is my Apple charger, Apple Watch charger. My adapter, I will show you guys what that looks like. This is my makeup. All my makeup is fitting in here except my baking powder. My red lipstick, my neutral lipstick, my brushes for blush, bronzer, highlighter, my contouring stick, my mascara, one eyeshadow brush, my eyeliner, my eyeshadow palette that I'm taking, and then 2 little perfumes. Let me show you. Ugh, oh my god. I think it came with a sample from Victoria's Secret, but that should be enough. I brought 2, just in case. And then in this little pouch was all this stuff. My BB cream, my contouring palette that I love, my foundation, my dip brow, and this brush. And then, so these pouches are for your phone, for the water, and we have planned to go to the beach a couple times, and some bathhouses, and I don't know, for whatever else we need. So that way our phones, we're not leaving them at shore. No, we're not worried about it getting wet. Power strip cord, because I only have 1 adapter, and we're going to connect this to that and be able to connect everything. This will be enough for me and my friend. This is my curling iron / straightener, because your girl cannot, I've tried, and I'm a failure at straightening my hair with the straightener, so I needed the side things, and it's small, and it has a little pouch for when it gets hot. Okay. Oh, and this is my laundry bag, and my loofah, and my razor. My laundry bag, this is, yeah, to keep all my dirty laundry away. Lady products / what is it called? Well, these things, cotton rounds, makeup wipes, my comb to brush out my hair. Oh, my friend is also taking, okay, so that's the thing. If you go backpacking with a friend, you're able to, like, share things with them. So we're, like, deciding what she brings and what I bring. Zyrtec, because your girl has allergies and I don't know how I'm going to be out there. Multivitamins, your girl is not trying to get sick. And yeah, same for emergency gummies. Melatonin, because the jet lag is going to be real. Makeup remover, eye makeup remover, facial spray, a mist, my beauty blender. Tide to go, because I'm going to be depending on these shirts and whatnot. So yeah, that's going to be coming into hand. Well, let's see. I'm going to make, okay, I'll talk about that later. Band-Aids, Q-tips, my scrunchie, and the bag. So this is the packing cube where I have, okay, I only have 2 packing cubes, ready? That's about the size. And all of this clothes fit in there. I'm not going to show you my, you know, undergarments, but yeah. That's basically it. Look at all of that. And now I'm going to show you how I do this all and how I pack it in. I honestly don't know how this is going to go, because last time I had a friend helping me pack all this, and we're going to find out how we do this together. Let's do this. Did you see how much I struggled with just that little one? I don't know how this is going to go. Okay. Supposed to fit everything in 2 packing cubes. My mom is an idiot, and if you see the camera shaking, it's because she's laughing. She is the worst. Every time I would record myself for my ASL video, she'd do the same. Okay, this is where my shirts were. So what I've been doing is I've been rolling everything up. Oh, look at my sister transitioned. Much better, right?
Steady hand.
Stop moving me. So I'm just rolling everything. And I'm supposed to make a ton of different outfits with all of this.
Roll, roll, roll.
My mom wants to be in the video. Just come and say hi, Mom.
Roll with it.
Just come and say hi. Ew. She loves me. She's gonna cry. Are you leaving 3 days, Mom? It's okay.
She's
Do I
crying
fit
for
in
the
there?
camera.
Do you fit in? Not gonna say anything. Okay, so I put my shoes in here. Put this over here. I don't know what else. Oh, those sandals. Really? Thanks, Mom. And Marilyn told me, have them like this so they take up less space, because I was the idiot that was stacking them up and she was like gonna punch me.
I feel you, Marilyn. I feel you.
Okay. Mom, don't join her side. Oh, these were over here. So basically here's where I put like everything that didn't fit into a separate bag. Okay. I'm gonna lay this down. Honestly, we just play with it until it fits, because so this is what I'm talking about. Look at it. Look. Oh no. Okay. Ready? Just kidding. But yeah, it makes it skinnier.
I need one of those.
It's called the
Waist.
faja sweetie. And this was able to fit here last time. This as well. Yeah. Oh, but this is. Just lay this flat. Honestly, if this doesn't fit, I'm just gonna wear it.
Those 3 jackets are gonna be wearing.
Yeah, I'm wearing 3 jackets. I tried to pack this the way Marilyn did, and let's see if it works. Okay, I think that's as good as it's gonna get. So my mom and I had to do this together because you see how full this sucker is? So my loofah's right here with my razor. This was a struggle. It really was. And then for my bag, so I'm stuffing my fanny pack in here. And my fanny pack is the one that has everything else in it, like my essentials that I need right at the moment, my pills, this, this is, okay, so this was my mom's idea. Shout out to my mom. So this is like a crystal light dispenser thingy, and I put all my cables in here, so my Apple charger, my Apple Watch charger, and my, like, I guess it's the old Samsung charger for my portable charger. Using that, my adapter, my water bottle. I should have put my planner in first, but it does fit in there. And my power strip. But basically, all this stuff, yeah. And that's what I'm taking. Okay, wait. So really cool about this feature. So, I don't know. I have this hook thingy for in case if I buy anything, I just hang it on there, you know what I mean? And
Thanks, Mom, for the hook.
she's got the hook up. Okay. So what I really like about this is that when you put it on, you have this for support, and this one. I swear I'm not fat, guys. Okay.
Except those tacos you just ate.
So talk about how many I had. So yeah, this helps my back, like supports it and all that. This bag is ridiculous. Like I would never take this bag, but I just needed a big bag, and this is like the only one that we had that wasn't a tote. And it has pockets, which I like.
And a zipper.
And a zipper, yes. So this is how I'm gonna be for most of the trip. Yeah, I have my bandana up there because you know me, summertime. Bandana every second. Yeah.
Now, little guy.
Ay,
See?
ay,
This gifted child is not logical. Beth?
ay.
Got it.
Only gonna be a senior in university status, but
Okay,
can't open a lock.
nice.
Thanks guys for watching. More to come.
Oh, we miss
Like,
you.
comment, subscribe.
We don't.